Our community span across real estate, medical sciences, pharmacy, name it, we have all those kinds of people in our community. That's one of the reasons why this partnership is important for us, because there's been one missing link in all of the work that we've done. You can motivate people, you can strategize for them, they can make good progress, but you need to solve financing. And this relationship with the CIBN first is going to help our people, because I tell people, to be fair to the banks, a lot of our businesses are not bankable. And I can say that because I've worked with 4,500 of them. Most people are not bankable or have not entered into a journey of building credibility with financial institutions. So that is one of the things that we're hoping that in working with CIBN, we can get our people to start to build credibility and understand from the banker's perspective exactly how we need to prepare for them.